kind of smells like beef. Yeah, it smells like beef.
You want to put the mushroom down on the cutting board. You want to make a slice into it like that. And then you can just push. There you go. And then you can just keep slicing like that. Okay? And you end up with little slices of mushroom. Okay?
I don't know what's your
Got it? So I'm going to have these habaneros.
So get this one. You know, like a fly. You can kind of do this. You can kind of do this. You can kind of do this, okay? You can.
We also have onions, if I can put the onions if you want, and then we have celery and pepper.
I'm gonna do celery.
Okay. You each have a piece of celery. Okay.
Oh, it's a celery? Did we put peel on it?
We have extra celery to do that.